guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm making another one of my brand new glosses dropping on the 26th. So let's get started. Here I just have some pre-poured Versagel that I got from ABA Cosmetics. I just wanted to show you the pill size or the bucket size so you can kind of get a good gauge. I got this for $60, y'all. $60, and it's a lot in there. But anyway, moving on, I have my castor oil, my olive oil, and just a few basic materials. I have an extra pair of gloves. I have some paper towels lined up, some foil paper not stain the table, some extra popsicle sticks, and some extra pipettes. I also have a combination of my flavoring and fragrance oils, as well as some scissors. I have my mica and my pigments, just the basic stuff. So this gloss I'm making today is the sweet potato pudding gloss. And it's like perfect for fall. It smells amazing. You know. So I'm not going to talk too much because at this point you've kind of seen how I make my glosses, the steps I take. So I'm just going to let you guys see and enjoy the video.
Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. To pass up on it, family mama say it's okay. Oh, them up me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist on her. Nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste on her. Ha! She feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha! She's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Bakachuku Bakagini, oh so me pay Ugweni Chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me.
Y'all, I apologize. My camera cut off on me, so the next clip you're going to see a drastic change. By the time I'd realized it cut off, I was already too far into making the gloss. All I did was just add in my pigments and colors.
Bulaka, she love the bad thing. She hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me. Hey, baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man.
The camera was acting super funny, so I couldn't get as much footage at the end. But I hope you guys love the final results right here. It's beautiful. This pink nude gloss is literally everything. I just included some pictures so you can get a better feel. Like I said, my camera didn't let me get as much footage, but here is the sweet potato pudding gloss. It's absolutely beautiful, and I decided to put in comparison with the caramel apple pop, which is on top, and that's the sweet pudding at the bottom. They're both nude shades, but you can see sweet potato pudding is more of a pink. But this is where the video ends. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.